Hey, Ivy here. The tip for today is let AI rephrase your request so it gets better answers. Start by writing down what you want in your own words. If it feels a bit unclear or too short, copy that text and ask the AI to turn it into a clear and step-by-step version. Look at the new version and choose the one that feels the easiest to read and follow. Then keep that improved version for later use. You will see that the answers you get after this match what you need much more closely. For example, a simple note about buying groceries can become a full plan for the day, with easy steps listed out one by one. If the first try still seems a little fuzzy, try running the rephrase step a few more times. Each time you do this, it adds just the right amount of structure, so the final output is ready to use right away. This works well because it helps turn vague ideas into something practical and direct. Practice this a few times and it will become a habit that saves you effort in the long run. You can use it for any kind of request, like planning meals or organizing tasks. The key is to review the rephrased version and make small tweaks if needed before you save it. Over time, you will get faster at spotting the best version right away. Tomorrow, we will talk about keeping those saved prompts handy.